I survive off of caffeine. Giving, bitch, you don't have enough hands. Is it actually Monday? Yeah, it's actually Monday. Happy Monday. Today looks actually nice. It's sunny. This type of fall actually makes me really happy. And if you guys are wondering, oh my god, she wears the same fucking sweater. It's my man sweater, okay? I do wash it. I just really like how oversized it is. All right, where the fuck did I park? Ugh. Don't get me wrong. I love my lifted car, but sometimes, especially when it's cold out, struggling.
Maybe I could be your solace.
Made to work, 5 minutes to spare. About to set up real quick, get going, show you some clips here soon. Don't get this color, unfortunately.
Maybe I could be your solace. Maybe I could be something more. Baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Maybe you could be my solace. Oh, you might do that little thing. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다. 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime.
Good morning. So I have time to clean. So you guys are gonna see me clean, tidy up the space. I don't know if y'all see, but I'll show you. You see all them drinks right there? Yeah, them things gotta go. The first thing they say, that's a lot of drinks. Yeah, I know. I survive off of caffeine. While I wait for my noodles to be done cooking, let's start cleaning. I'm done cleaning. My client is about to come in. I haven't seen her in a while, so I don't know what's on her hands, or I don't know what she's getting, but we're gonna find out soon. So let's run it up. So I'm going home now. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I do need to take my tools home to clean. Actually, I'm fine. I don't think I need to lock up, but officially going home. Yeah, I don't know if he's still here, but someone just walked in. I'm gonna check if the car is back here still. Oh no, okay. I need to go back. I know I should hit the gym. Honestly, the gym has not been the move lately. But I'm gonna start driving now. I am home.
A selfie?
I'm recording. Oh. Wanna say hi? Bye. That's our maintenance man. That's our Nino. He's super sweet. We love him. He comes with all the good vibes. I hate that he works so much, but he's getting his bread.
Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime.